Good! Put your hands behind your back! Put your damn hands behind your back! Don't move! Keep your hands out where we can see them. Driver, keep your hands out. Everybody in the vehicle is under arrest. This is the Racine County Sheriff's Office. Everyone in the vehicle is under arrest. Keep your hands where we can see them.
There's another guy in the car. He's taking off. Another guy in the driver's seat. He's taking off.
A woman exits the vehicle and allows herself to be detained before the suspect flees the scene.
41 Adam Robert Paul 3841.
A vehicle connected to a shooting, multiple occupants, and now one suspect is taking off. What started as a high-risk stop has instantly turned into a full-blown manhunt. And
Adam Robert
trust
Paul
me,
3841. He's going over the curb. Go. Eastbound on 12. Eastbound on 12 bound.
I don't have anything. This is all I got. Let me go.
Just relax. Who else is in the car?
If he runs on foot, do not run. We do have K9s.
Mulligan here! Mulligan here! Mulligan here! Stop right there! I'll send a dog! Mulligan here! 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 Come on, bud, stay there! Stay right there! Do not fucking move!
watch the K9s' precision here. The moment the suspect decides to run, he loses control of the situation completely. One bad decision has now added a whole new list of charges he'll have to answer for later.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your damn hands behind your back. Get cuffed. Stop him, please. Oh, get him. Give me your hand. Yes, sir. Oh, please get him off. Shut up. Please don't fucking talk. Okay. Oh, any guns on you? No, sir. Oh. Don't fucking touch my hand. Shut up. What the f is wrong with you? Move over. Please don't step on my glasses, sir. Right by your foot. All right. Please. Set him up. Sit up. My wallet is right there. My phone's right there.
You don't need that. Where you going?
Stand up. Stand up. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please take my f***ing glasses, please.
Just walk.
Please take them.
Let's go.
Can you please? I can't see, sir.
Did you catch that? In the middle of an arrest, the suspect suddenly shifts focus to his dogs. It's one of those moments that reminds you how quickly reality hits once the adrenaline starts wearing off.
I can't see, sir. Please. Can you, my glasses are on the floor right there. I'm sorry. Get up. I'm sorry. It's my ankle. I'm sorry. They just, the dog. Okay? Please. Just.
He took my dogs yesterday.
You took your what?
My dogs yesterday.
Where are your dogs
But I don't know. They raided the tower in Kenosha, and I don't know what to do. I don't know who to call to even get my dogs.
You know where the dog? Who took the dogs?
I'm assuming the police.
Well, they probably Kenosha Main sign.
The two puppies.
I'll figure it out.
Dispatch, we got one in custody. Roll rescue for K9 contact.
There's nothing else in your pockets, your shoes.
No, I don't even have socks. I don't have a bra. I don't have nothing on. I don't even have clean clothes. I've been in these clothes for 2 days.
All right, sit in the car and search one more time.
Dispatch 87.
Yeah, watch your head. I'm gonna hand you this stuff. This stuff's for me. This is not an airplane mode. I've been calling the entire time. Okay, I'm gonna go look for that magazine. All right, good. I would imagine Kenosha wants it.
Take it easy, please. To the car. Oh. I'm sorry. Just help my ankle, please. The cuff, sir. The cuff.
Well, adjust them. Shut
Okay,
up.
yes, sir. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm going. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please. I'm not. You want to open the door?
Going in here?
Yeah. Just shut up. Oh, please don't. You don't gotta hurt me. You don't gotta hurt me.
Hold up.
You don't gotta hurt me.
I'm not hurt.
Relax.
Please.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another search real quick. I have a bag of cigarettes.
Give your leg up. Give your leg up. Give your leg up. 20 feet apart, boys.
Okay, yes, sir. Nothing. You got a good search on.
Up on the road or right here? Yep, right.
Here you go.
Credit where it's due. The officers are balancing enforcement with medical concerns. Even after a dangerous pursuit, they're still making sure injuries are checked and the suspect is...
Where you get bit?
In my ankle, in my arm.
Okay, which one?
Oh, my right arm, my right ankle.
We got an ambulance here to check you out, okay?
I'll take it off for you. Just let me sit down, please.
Good. You good?
I got it. See?
Let us finish searching, we'll get you in
Yes,
the
sir. Let's go.
We'll check all that in a minute, okay?
My right ankle.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to fall. I'm not. I have socks on and I'm in the
Fine. Hey,
mud.
we're gonna adjust the cuffs for you, okay? What's your name, man?
Please, Jake Wenzel. Jake Wenzel. My name is Jake Wenzel.
One step at a time, we're gonna adjust these cuffs, we're gonna get you in the ambulance.
I'm not.
Here you go.
Just please do what you gotta do. I'm not trying to fight you. I'm not trying to fight you.
Okay, turn your wrist up. Here you go. You're not supposed to be comfortable, dude.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry.
We're just gonna walk you up to this road so you can sit in the ambulance, okay?
Yes, please.
We'll go at your speed, all right?
This is the turning point. The fight is over. The chase is over. And now, cooperation becomes the suspect's best option. The calmer he stays from here, the smoother the rest of the process goes.
We go around the other side with the got a dog bite in the right ankle. All right.
You're not going to have a good time getting over there with being handcuffed, so your best bet is to lay on your back, and we're going to move you over, or on your side.
And here's the final scorecard. What began with a suspect vehicle linked to a shooting ended with firearm charges, drug charges, and fleeing from law enforcement. One decision to run turned an already serious situation into a legal nightmare.
Or on your side is fine. Okay.
Here, let me help you guys out real quick. I'm gonna move his cuffs to the front. That way you guys can actually work on it.
Okay.
I just have you guys cuff him to the bed. Just one.
Yeah, that's fine too.
Okay.
We're just gonna make it a little bit easier for you guys. That way you don't have to do this, okay? Hey, Jake. Hey, we're not gonna have any issues, right?
No, sir.
All right.
No, sir.
All right. Just relax your hands for me, okay? All right. Trying to help you out, man. No, you're good. Trying to make it easier. Whoa, chill.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna have you roll to this bed. Okay.
You ain't comfortable, man.
Yeah.
Here you go. Pop over on your back, bud.
Don't roll, okay, hon?
Can you scoot over a little bit?
Just relax, man. Or try to. Breaking boots on some curb or something, because you got a lot. All right. Yeah.